Hello to all my friends, I'm Vinita Chatterjee and this is my presentation on Web3 and the creator economy. Well, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how Web3 is impacting the entire creator economy and the life of so many of us. So let's sit back and enjoy this presentation. Creator economy. Doesn't it sound like an ideal world where freedom is at its core? Freedom from the tyranny of the monopolistic giants ruling the roost. Freedom from injustice, from racism, sexism, nepotism, favoritism. Freedom that ultimately leads to the birth of optimism. Hello friends, I'm Vinita Chatterjee, an artist and a Metaverse Evangelist from the incredible India. This year, we are celebrating 75 years of our independence. Freedom from slavery is throbbing in our hearts now. And with this thought, I envision a better world where humanity thrives above all. Today, I'm here to talk about the creator economy and the impact of Web3 in fostering a fair and ethical creative world. A world where creativity, authenticity, and passion are the key values. The creator economy has created a paradigm shift in our society over the last few years. Platforms like Twitch, Patreon, Substack, and Discord have opened doors to new kinds of content creation and monetization by fueling the direct engagement of creators with their fans. The development of Web3 technologies such as smart contracts and virtual reality is further transforming the creator economy, changing how creators produce content, claim ownership, and get paid for their work. Now let's find out what we mean by the creator economy. The creator economy is an online economic segment powered by a set of interactive digital platforms, marketplaces, and tools that enable users to access and create content as well as monetize it. The achievement of the creator economy is that it unlocked a wide variety of ways of monetizing work for the creators. If in the previous economic paradigms, an artist could earn primarily through selling or licensing their IP rights, they can also do it through advertising, tipping, brand sponsorship, affiliate links, streaming, and many other digital marketing activities. Even if your content is originally not digital, you can still use platforms to advertise your work, engage and convert your audience, find different ways of collaboration, and so on. The sky is the limit here. So to sum up, the creator economy is here to empower the online entrepreneurship of creators by providing them with digital marketing tools and removing any barriers or discrimination. Now let us look at the evolution of the creator economy since the advent of the internet. First comes the era of Web 1. Web 1 consisted of a small group of people creating content for a larger audience, making it easier for people to find information. So, Web 1 is referred to as the read-only web. Now let's move to Web 2, where creators, bloggers, brand representatives rule the roost. Web 2 consists of many people creating even more content for a larger audience. The user's experience is at the heart of Web 2. As a result, this web form was tasked with creating social media, collaborations, and communities. Web 2 is known as the participatory social web, as it emphasizes on participation and contribution. And finally, we move to Web 3, where a community-owned ecosystem thrives to create a creator economy. Now you must be wondering, what is the reason for the rise of the Web 3 all of a sudden? Well, the inefficiencies of Web 2 structure gave rise to Web 3. Because of the unpredictable nature of Web 2 algorithms, creators have been forced to continue gambling for positions in social feeds. As a result, maximizing the value of content creation has become challenging and making revenue streams unpredictable. It is impossible to run a successful business in such circumstances. Brands use social media to gain exposure and influence, while social media companies use brands to generate ad revenue. This matrix gives social media giants and brands complete control over the digital creators. On centralized platforms, the rules of the game for users and creators can also be changed at any time. This includes removing users from the platform, preventing monetization of a user's online content, changing fee schedules, and even changing the algorithm that determines how users view content. Creators are increasingly burnt out and turned off by endless competition, vacuous content production, and spending more time pleasing algorithms rather than their actual creative practices in Web 2. The definition of a creator is changing as the power dynamics in Web 3 shift from platforms to creators and their communities. During this stage of web interaction and utilization, users transition from centralized platforms such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter to decentralized platforms. Today's creator economy is about new types of direct relationships between creators and communities, not just giving platforms value. There is an opportunity for creators to finally share in the collective value that platforms help to create, as well as to offer more to their fans, including potential financial gain. The advancement of the Web3 technologies is transforming the creator economy at multiple stages, from content creation to distribution to ownership and royalties. New structures for creativity, built around squads, collectives, and new expression of the label model are emerging in Web3 and beyond. Creators are on the cusp of moving out of individualism of the creator economy and into a new era of creativity in multiplayer mode. The development of the metaverse will make extended reality experiences more accessible and prominent. By combining virtual reality and augmented reality, the digital world is evolving beyond games and marketing campaigns into an entire world with digital avatars, virtual goods, and completely new experiences. Major brands have already started entering the metaverse to be at the forefront of this new era. Brands are turning to future-looking startups and creators to be pioneers in the metaverse. As this space continues to unfold, we will see avenues of content creation. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will help creators in finding images, texts, and videos more quickly. They could also allow NFT creators to personalize interactive NFT based on their owners' usage patterns and customization. Creators can benefit from new content management systems that are more secure and intuitive than the existing content management systems. So here is the essence of the Web3 creator economy. First, eliminating intermediary platforms between creators and their fans. Second, creators owning 100% of their data, brand, and work. Third, transparency of business processes and money making. And fourth, stimulating authentic creativity instead of ad-driven content production. The Web3 paradigm of the creator economy aims to enable creators to build their own independent, open economy where they can co-own it with their fans and directly monetize it without requirement of any third party. As some field experts assume, if this model succeeds, we will enter a new era of wealth generation where creators will no longer be just the products. Instead, they will become new economies themselves. The power structures of the creator economy are rapidly changing. Creators are now in the driver's seat, being offered the opportunity to have greater individuality than ever before through Web3 creator platforms. The development of Web3 enables creators to take complete control over their careers. Blockchain technology is giving power to creators, and they do not have to rely on centralized systems and hosting platforms anymore. This new era holds immense potential to accelerate the creator economy, where fans and creators are directly connected and creativity gets the appreciation that it deserves. Now let's find out how our contracts, royalties, and ownership going to be honored in the Web3 creators ecosystem. Smart contracts in blockchain will redefine art ownership. With the help of these contracts, every interaction between content creators and their clients will be automatically recorded. Based on the conditions that are predefined in the smart contracts, like for example, if or then clauses, payments will be released automatically with the client's approval. Creators can send invoices with due dates set for a predefined period. The ownership of content will be clearly defined in Web3, and the content license will be captured on blockchain, which makes piracy more difficult. The content itself will be embedded within its code, so copying or reposting content will be significantly more difficult. Also, for musicians or NFT creators, royalties will be included in smart contracts. They can initiate payments to whoever is involved in the creative work, like composer, performer, editor, in the music field. They will receive a share of the payment automatically with the help of smart contracts. There are several ways through which blockchain and Web3 will accelerate the creator economy and help it become a central force in global culture and entertainment. Number 1. NFTs help users to get exclusive access to gated communities, events, and parties inside the virtual world. Decentralized tools like NFT gated access and NFT ticketing will improve the digital experience. Additionally, token gating provides unique experiences for fans, such as giving access to private communities and direct messaging with the creators. Number 2. The Web3 world extracts value from renters and middlemen and gives it back to the creators or owners. Blockchain applications enable fans to engage directly with their favorite creators. This will result in providing a pathway to asset ownership in individual creator economies outside of traditional centralized platforms. Number 3. Video streaming accounts for a large part of the Web2 internet traffic. Web3 developers are eager to seize this potential market without being rushed by high costs. They are seeking to provide affordable infrastructure to support creator streams. Creators are attracted to unique Web3 features such as tipping, paid entry, live shopping to monetize their content. Platforms are evolving to become more community-driven, allowing both creators and viewers to benefit more from their contributions. Beyond simply working with marketers, the creator economy is diversifying its revenue streams and broadening its services and offerings. So we see, community is the oxygen of Web3 creator platforms. The new creator economy will not only change the way in which content is created, but also unlock a world of entirely new tech and monetization opportunities that were simply not possible with Web2. Enabling these new, direct, creator-to-follow relationships and bringing Web3 to the masses is one of the most exciting investment opportunities of our time, leading to the emergence of new and more sustainable economies. Well, this was my presentation on Web3 and the creator economy. Well, I totally root for the concept of Web3 as I believe in its power in impacting so many lives. Well, Web3 stands for decentralization and democracy, and I believe in a fair world in the coming few years.